Here's an edit that I made in less than 15 minutes with a free app.
Soars to the rim. Attack.
So today I'm gonna show you how to edit a viral video just like this, very quickly and very easily using an app that is literally built to do just that. Hey guys, my name is E. I'm a professional sports videographer, and before we get into the tutorial part of this video, first I want to talk about something that always comes up every time I'm having conversations about how to get more followers on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Basically, I want to talk about quantity versus quality. A lot of people seem to think that to get more followers, you simply need to post more often. That, for example, if you post a video every single day, you'll grow faster than if you're only posting once a week. Yes, there are plenty of examples on both Instagram and TikTok of accounts that grew massively while they were posting every day. But are they really growing because they're posting every day, or are they growing because they're posting great content every day? There's a huge difference, because if you're posting shitty videos that don't get any views or likes, trust me, you won't grow that much. So before you start focusing on growth, focus on quality. Spend as much time as possible on your videos to make them as good as you can, and try to get a lot of feedback as well. But if it's hard for you to get feedback because you don't have a big following, then I definitely suggest joining our sports videography community on Facebook. It's a Facebook group with almost 8,000 sports videographers in there at the moment, from beginners to pro, all levels, and they're all more than happy to give you real constructive criticism. You'll get better and faster gradually, and eventually you'll reach a point where posting great content on a daily basis is actually achievable. But even then, to produce daily videos, you definitely need the right tools to make this process as easy and quick as possible. Which leads me to the sponsor of this video, the all-in-one free video editor, CapCut. CapCut is built specifically to produce the most high-quality, short-form vertical content in the most user-friendly way possible. It provides users with a wide range of video editing functions, filters, audio and visual effects, while keeping it completely free of charge and also ads-free. So literally everyone can be a creator using CapCut, especially since there are both a desktop and a mobile version. Now let me show you real quick how I used CapCut to produce the Ja Morant edit you just saw earlier in this video. So the first step is to edit a rough cut. Basically, I don't worry at all about filters, looks, or audio at this point. I only focus on the content. And just so you know, this is my first time using CapCut. I didn't even try to watch a YouTube video for beginners. I just went straight into it. And honestly, it was very easy to pick up. That's the great thing these days with new editing platforms, because when I started my career, there was only like 3 editing platforms you could use, and they were very different from each other. So switching from one to another basically meant learning how to edit all over again. But now all the editing platforms have a very similar workflow, so switching platforms, like in my case going from Premiere to CapCut, is a very easy transition. Alright, so now that the rough cut is done, I'm gonna add a few filters and effects. I'm gonna start with a creative look filter I quite like, then I'm gonna add a light leaks effect, and finally I'm gonna add a subtle chromatic effect. And to finish it off, I'll do a bit of color correction on most clips to push up the brightness, especially in the shadows. And that's it. Here's the final edit.
Soars to the rim. Attack. Adams sets the screen. John hammers it down. Here's a lob. That is ridiculous.
Morant, takes off and changes, puts it down with the offhand.
Oh my goodness.
That edit was fairly simple, but here are a few features that I didn't use this time, even though I really like them for sports videography because they allow you to spice up your videos very easily. For example, I like the fact that if you click on any effect, filter, sticker, or transition, you automatically get a preview of what it's going to look like once applied to your sequence. So if you like what you see, just press on the plus button and you're good to go. I also like the lockdown feature, which is a very cool and very effective smart camera auto tracker. Another thing I like is the fact that you can import custom LUTs. So for example, if you bought my Ultimate Sports LUT pack, you'll be able to use any of the 12 LUTs in it with CapCut. And there's obviously a ton of other cool features that you can use in various situations, like the in-app audio library, the auto caption function, and a bunch of very user-friendly split screen effects. So if you want to give CapCut a run yourself, again, it's totally free, so just click on the link in the description to get your own copy and start creating. By the way, I also think that this is a great platform for people who need to quickly turn around content during or right after games, because you can actually, you can either shoot with your phone or quickly transfer files from your camera to your phone, depending on the type of video that you're trying to do. But once it's in your phone, you can quickly edit something or even use your laptop if that's more convenient for you. And you can actually export directly from CapCut to TikTok. So this is a great tool, a great time saver for creators who have to quickly push out content during sporting events. But unfortunately, using the right tool is not enough these days to go viral on Instagram and TikTok. You also need the right strategy. But lucky for you, I already made a video about my recipe for viral short form videos. So just click on the video on your screen right now and I'll see you there. Otherwise, as usual, thank you for watching. My name is E, and I hope I earned the privilege of your time.